Good day everyone. So today is World Oral Health Day and I thought to share with us about some things we see on people's teeth and we just assume this person has poor oral hygiene, like things caused by tetracycline. Now there are different things in the teeth. We have fluorosis, we have decalcification, we have hypoplasia, we have demineralization, we have tetracycline things. But today I'll be focusing on tetracycline things, which is something I really came across a lot during my NYSC years. I saw in the north, I saw a lot of people that had stains, fluorosis, and had tetracycline stains. What are tetracycline stains? Tetracycline stains are stains caused by an antibiotic called tetracycline. We have minocycline, we have doxycycline. They all can have the same effect on the tooth during tooth development. Now, when does this happen? During pregnancy and early childhood. Let's say, for instance, a mother has an infection during pregnancy and decides to self-medicate, or maybe go to a wrong place and they recommend the tetracycline for the mother after the first trimester, which is from the 4th month of pregnancy. This drug can have an high effect on the tooth development. This is because the chemical substance in these drugs mix with structures of the tooth during tooth development while the child is still in the belly. And during the appearance of the tooth, the crowns of the tooth, you realize that the tooth is discolored. You see that some of these things could go deep into the enamel, deep into the dentine, depending on the severity of the chemicals from these antibiotics during tooth development. Now, how does it occur during childhood? Let's say a child that's from 0 to 8 years has a particular sickness during childhood and this drug is given to the child. It can affect the appearance of the tooth, crown of the tooth during tooth development. Now, there are different levels of these things on the tooth. Like there are mild stains and there are heavy stains. Be a whitish patches, a blue-gray patch on the tooth. Why for an heavy stain, it's embedded in the teeth. Unlike stains that you get from tobacco, stains that you get from coffee, excessive intake of coffee or tobacco and other things, tetracycline stains are intrinsic stains. All these tobacco and coffee stains are surface stains. They are just on the surface of the tooth. Why tetracycline stains are intrinsic stain? It is inside the tooth itself, which makes it more difficult to remove. Now, what are the solutions? For people that have already developed this thing, and most of the people have actually come in contact with it, has high effects on their level of confidence, their social life, so if you are someone that has the kind of stain, there are solutions. Now, this solution depends on how heavy the stain is on your teeth. For instance, if you have a mild stain, we can do abrasion. We could use abrasive materials to remove the stains. Some we could administer composite materials to improve the shade of the teeth. Now, for heavy stains, what you'll be needing is veneers. I would attach a video of what a veneer looks like. Veneers will just be capped onto the teeth and it will give you a brighter shade. We recommend crown, we recommend zirconia. It depends on what would suit your own case, depending on how heavy your stain is. So I hope you find this video educative and I hope you'd share this with somebody, and I hope you'd learn to not self-medicate in any situation you find yourself, especially if you're a pregnant woman. So thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing, lovely day. I'll be sharing a video on fluorosis and what actually causes fluorosis. So remember to like this video, drop a comment, and always check your teeth. Have an amazing, lovely day. Bye.